Add 3 cups of milk to a mixing bowl. Then add 2 3.4 ounce boxes of instant vanilla pudding and whisk it together. It's very important that you use the instant pudding mix. Some people use the French vanilla flavor, but I'm using vanilla for today. Once that's mixed, we'll add an 8-ounce tub of thawed Cool Whip. Make sure that you have fully thawed out the Cool Whip in the fridge, and fold that in with the pudding mix. Afterwards, get a 9x13 baking dish and a box of graham crackers. Now, I can't tell you exactly how many sleeves of graham crackers you'll need because it depends on which brand you buy. I think I needed 3 sleeves for mine. Put a single layer of graham crackers across the bottom of the baking dish. You'll have to break a few to fully cover the bottom. Now spread half of the pudding mixture on the crackers and completely spread it across. Then put another layer of graham crackers on top of that. Again, you'll have to break some graham crackers to fully cover it. And pour the remaining half of the pudding mixture on top of those. And put one more layer of graham crackers on top of all of that. Cover the dish with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour so that the pudding can fully set. After the pudding has set in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour, get a 16-ounce container of chocolate frosting. Make sure you remove the lid in aluminum foil, then microwave it for about 20 seconds. After microwaving, give it a stir and it will be easier to spread. Take the dish out of the fridge, remove the plastic wrap, pour the frosting on top, and spread it evenly across the top of everything. Go all the way to the edges of the dish. Then put the plastic wrap back on the dish and put it back into the fridge overnight. This is important so that the graham crackers can soften up. The next day, cut it into however many slices that you want and serve it cold. You can see how the crackers will soften. Please consider giving the video a like and thank you for watching.